Welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. We yank cars. It's just what we do. Anyway, I'm rolling in down here on a gas station impound. It's off Bud Road. I believe the Chevron, I'm not positive, but I believe the Chevron's the same one that's had several shootings in the past month. Past month or two, they've had a couple shootings in there. When I'm going down to these calls, I got the camera rolling, man. When I'm, you don't see me smiling and, you know, all the, like you do regular YouTubers, man. I'm not a regular YouTuber, man. I'm a guy that yanks cars. I pull up and yank cars every single day. This is what I do. I could die behind it. There's no question about it. Well, there ain't nobody riding in the truck with me, man. I ain't got no film crew. I ain't got no security guard. I just yank cars and pull up and get them, man. That's just how it is. And that's what being real is, man. Being real is doing your job, man, regardless of the risk. And that's what I do every single day. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay. Whose is it? What is it? They just left it here?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna grab it real quick. Anyway, we're gonna back up and hook it. I already signed it out. Now this dude could be he could be sitting in another car right by here. I'm sure he's hanging around this area. I'm almost positive he's right close by this area. He told it.
So you gonna take my car?
I'm gonna pull over here. Hey.
You ain't no repo. You can't take my shit, bro.
I do impounds, man. I do impounds.
I ain't committing no crime.
I didn't say you did no crime, man.
So you gonna take my car?
You gotta pay it out, man. You have to pay it. It's an impound.
What?
It's an impound, man. Hey, it's an impound, dude. You gotta pay it out. You got to pay it out. You gotta pay it out, dude.
I'll put you on camera too. What you mean?
Oh well.
So you taking my car?
Yeah.
Where my car? Where you gonna take my car to?
Hey, get to know. I'll pull over here and let you pay it out if you want to pay it out.
And get my shit, bro.
You want to pay it out right now?
How much is it?
175.
No,
Hey.
Get my shit, bro.
Hey, you want to pay it out?
Yeah, I'm paying.
Hey.
You tell to my house. I stay right here.
Where at?
1989. Morningside.
Is it not running?
No, I was just finna put a start on.
Look, man. Get in the car, man. Get in the car, bro. I ain't no hater, man. I tow cars, but I ain't no hater, bro.
I was just finna put a start on the car. Then what happened? Hey, just come in the house, y'all.
Listen,
I was just finna put a start on the car.
Them gas stations, man, they're bad about towing.
My mechanic was right. My mechanic called, finna put the start on the car.
Hey, which way we're going right here?
Make the right.
Okay.
He said your car's not here.
You already got your car impounded. You gonna pay it off and drop it off over
there. You have no reason to do that, though.
Well, they do it, man. Hey, all the states, the one on Armour Drive down there, they tow too. Everybody, all these places right here tow. That's just what they do.
Hello?
If the car sits there, they tow it.
Hello? Yeah, I got the car, bro. I got the car. I was walking down the street and seen the car on the tow truck. I'm in the tow truck with my car now. I ain't playing. Like I'm in the tow truck. Well, I don't know why you left, but I'm not going out like that, but I need my shit, but I can't move like that. Like right when you said I'm in the lift, and I'm right here by my house. I'm right here where you came to.
Okay, where you at?
I'm right here to the left. You make the left right here. We drop the car right here. I got my parking pass. They ain't gonna call nobody. We'll be straight.
You was pissed, man. I can do it. You outside.
Nah, I wasn't mad at you. I was just mad at the situation.
I know, man.
Like, man,
I deal with this. That's what I do, man. I pull cars like this all the time.
Yeah, I was mad at the
I deal with people. First thing you don't do is antagonize and make it worse. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like, shit. I know I can pay. I ain't tripping up the money. It's just like, I'm really thankful because I don't got the headache. I would have just
you would have had to ride all the way up there, man, to get it back, and that's.
And still would have had to get the car fixed.
Still would have had to tow it down here.
Right.
Yeah, we'll put it out of the way, man. When they won't look at it funny. Maybe he can do it here.
Yeah, he gonna do it right here. Put that shit right here.
Yeah, I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kind of put it between. I'm gonna put it right in that hole because I got room to drop it right in that spot.
Okay.
And it'll be kind of out of the way.
My battery, my alternator. Now it's the start. It's always like when it was like the radiator, the thermostat. Yeah, you know how that shit goes.
Man, cars. Look, somebody booted him, man.
Oh, this boot capital of the world.
Yeah, I know. Man.
Oh, you getting booted as soon as possible. You might go in, run out, come back with a boot. They booted my shit when I was moving in.
Hey, your boot, they charge $300-400, man. They wrong.
Nah, they only charge $75.
Well, you know what? Some of them charge $250, man. The wrong spot.
Jeez.
Either way, we'll get it offloaded, man.
Yeah, I got it.
I got your receipt right here too. You don't pay card or cash?
Yeah. Okay.
Could have pulled off and left the guy sitting there, just sitting on the side of the road, man, without his car. But like I said, I would have got the same amount of money if I would have dropped it off at the lot. So it's beneficial for me just to drop the car and get the money. So that's what we did. That's what I did. Anyway. Stay tuned, we got more coming. We're back at the same gas station we were at earlier where we towed that one vehicle. I got another one they want gone, so we're gonna grab it. Evidently people keep parking on this guy's property, and he's not down with it. You want to park at on somebody's property, you better talk to them about it. They don't want you there. Your car don't belong on their property. They have the right to tow it, and that's what happened. He got towed. We're rolling back to the yard with it. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll take a minute to do a quick recap on that first tow I did with the guy that got in the truck with me. I know there's a lot of people on the channel that they might think I shouldn't have let the guy in the truck. The guy's dangerous, whatever, man. And I tell you this right here, man, there's a lot of people out there that are dangerous on the street, man. That's just the way the streets are. And doing the work I do, it's dangerous work. I'm not, and I can tell you this right here, I've been in so many situations, man, and I've been in so many fights over the years. It's not that out of place for me to let somebody in the truck, man. You know, it could have went ugly. But I expected that. I expect it to turn bad, and I expect it to happen. So I'm always ready for it, man. If it happened, I was ready for it. The guy was just mad because his car broke down and it got towed on top of that. And that's a normal reaction, man. That's normal from anybody break down. Your car got towed. He was on the way to get it, on the way to meet the mobile mechanic for his car, and it got towed. That's normal, man, to be mad about that. It's normal. That's not anything out of the ordinary. The only thing you should have done is should have called the store this morning. Uh, should have called the store in the morning. But I want to put that out there. You know, a lot of people think I put myself at risk and maybe I'm naive. Look, man, I'm not naive, man. I ain't no spring chicken, man. I've been around the block. I hadn't really went into my past on the channel. Maybe I will later on, but I don't exactly have a beautiful past, man. I've been I've been fighting my whole life. That's just what it is. That's why I like this job, and that's why I do as good as I do with this job, because that's just the kind of person I am. But I can tell you this right here, I treat every person that I tow, I treat them the same, and I offer everybody the same option. I don't care how big, how bad, how tough anybody is, man. I give you that option. I give you the ability to pay your car out, because that's just how I do it. I've always done it like that. It don't matter who it is. Anyway, I wanted to mention, I want to say hello to Greg. He's in the hospital, and Greg's been on the channel, and also Ruby. He's our lot guy. He's been on the channel too. Ruby's got the Delta, and so does Greg. Greg's on oxygen, and as far as I know, Ruby's still at home. He's been to the hospital quite a few times, but I wanted to let you know, let them both know that my thoughts and prayers are with you, man, and Ruby and his wife both, and also with Greg. Hope you get well, for sure. If anybody wants to post a comment for Greg or Ruby, please do. They're both going through it right now. That being said, I'm going to do a $500 giveaway next video. I'm going to give 5 people, going to get $100. Leave a comment in the video for a chance to win. I'm going to pull them through the random comment picker. Anyway, thanks for watching. I got a lot of content, man. I'm busy, man. I'm so busy I can't see straight. Anyway, peace.